In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple uploads here in Canva. Now, first off, you want to find where your uploads are. Now, normally they're probably going to be in your upload section, but if you've uploaded them into a folder, you first want to find that folder, and then that's where we can delete them. But to delete multiple uploads is really simple. We want to hover over the uploads which we want to delete. We can then see this little box. So if we click on there, we can do this on as many uploads files as we want. Now I'm going to go ahead and click and enable all of these 5 designs just like that. Then if we look down here, it's going to tell us how many we've selected. We've selected 5, and then all we have to do is simply click on move to trash. Then click move to trash again, and then that has been deleted. Now please be aware, once you move something to the trash, it will stay there for up to 30 days, so you can retrieve them as well. Then after the 30 days, it will completely be deleted. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to delete multiple uploads here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.